right, that was a quick one. Now that we have done the walkthrough, the overview of the software, we want to quickly carry out the necessary operation. Now, I want us to start by creating our inventory list. So I click on the inventory. These are the ones we already have already. Okay, taking a look at this, I think we have electronics here, laptops precisely. So I will create another inventory list now. So let's call this, we already have HP, we have this thing. Let's call this what do we call this now? Samsung. Let's call this Samsung laptop. Okay, we call it Samsung laptop. So say what is the method of what of costing. I say first in, first out. What's the units? The unit name for this laptop, we call it, we do what? We buy in pieces or units or pieces. Okay, let's say pieces. All right. How many pieces? Now, do we have division? Not yet. Do you want to say reorder level? I say not yet. Do you have custom account for income? I say no. What about the expenses? I say no. Do you want to autofill the line for description? I say yes. What kind of information do you want there? Let's assume I say I have Samsung. There's a Samsung laptop, and we call it 4 gig RAM. 4 gig RAM. Core i5 6th generation. Then we have a 500 HDD. So this is the information. Then does it have a unit price for purchase? I say yes. We bought this. We usually buy them, let's say 50,000. What about the selling? How much will you be selling if you buy 50? Okay, we'll be selling 70. Okay. Do you have any sales division? Say no. Do you want to hide it from printed this thing? I say no. So I create. Now this is the information of the stock that we have just created. Mind you, it's just a register. It is not in our store yet. So to be in our store, let's go straight to our supplier. I want to create a new supplier now. Let's say we say okay, Vast Ventures. Sorry. Say Vast Ventures. Okay, where is it located? It's located in Abuja. Okay, email, whatsoever, all the necessary information. Okay, I say yes, I create. So this is the information about our supplier, and now we want to make a request. Then I go to purchase. I want to look for my supplier. Okay, Vast Venture is a new supplier that I want to supply us now. How many things do I need? I need Asus. I need, so sorry, let me quickly take you back to what I just did now. This, you can notice, say add line. So if I want to add single line, I add a line. If I want to add 5 lines, 10 lines, 20 lines, just the way I want it. But for now, I just want to add one more line. So we have we created Samsung, right? Okay, Samsung. How many Samsung do I need? I say I need 30 pieces. How many Asus do I need? I say I just need 10. So I will make the request. Now, if you observe, you see no amount is attached to it. So I create. This is a request for quotation. Then I send this to the supplier. The supplier agrees and quote for us. Then from here, I will copy to what? To purchase order, because it's a purchase process. A purchase order. Now, I don't have anything to change. Or maybe I just want to add few more details to it. To be, let's say, to be purchased. To be purchased on 22nd of 01 of what? 2025. Okay, that's the further information I create. Then from there, when the deal is done, supply is made, we have actually seen what we are buying. Then I move further to move it to purchase invoice. All right, purchase invoice I create. And finally, we have acquired the stock, is now in our warehouse. Now let's make payments. What is the total? We are supposed to pay him 2 million, but in this case we say, we actually do not have up to 2 million. We can only give you 1.7. all right, we can give you 1.7. so we make the payment. Now the process has just, we started from the inventory register. Then we created our supplier. From there, we raise a quote. From quote, we transfer to order. From order, we transfer to invoice, purchase invoice. From purchase invoice, we have just made a payment for that items that we have bought. So as you look at it now, the process of acquiring stock, goods into the warehouse, has just been what? Completed. So in this case of our invoice, we say let it act as goods receipts to default location. Otherwise, we have to create the goods receipts. So that is it about that process. When we are coming back, we'll be taking care of the customer and the sales aspect.